Hello everyone, today I'll tell you one more refreshment mocktail. Mocktail name is Cranberry Spritzer. How to make the Cranberry Spritzer mocktail? Very simple mocktail. You can try simply. What you do? Take a tall glass and add some ice cube into the tall glass. Then simply you just squeeze on lemon. That's it. Just squeeze on lemon. Then you can add some lime slices. You can after that you can add 10 ml of sugar syrup. Then simply what you do, add some cranberry juice. That's it. Add some cranberry juice. Okay. Then that idea. After that, simply just add some soda. This is the cranberry spritzer mocktail. Simple mocktail you can try. You can pour on that mint spring for the garnish. Okay, you can steam the mocktail also. This is the very easy mocktail you can try. Cranberry spritzer mocktail. I hope you like this refreshment mocktail. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you.